pero hindi ako mag-hit. Permanent yung aking position doon. So, people try to stone them, which illustrates the principle that when enemies seek to follow God, there will usually be some opposition. Kaya nga nung nag-resign ako sa WSS, sabi ng mga kumpare ko, Paring Raming, bakit kailangan mag-resign ka pa? Pwede ka naman magtinda ng libro mo dito sa opisina, o di kaya punta ka sa lugar, kami ang gagawa ng trabaho mo.
God has given the vision and was waiting for the people to act on it. God can defeat the enemies and transport them to the promised land, but God works through us so that He can teach and mature us. God was waiting for His people to obey. Actually, pwede naman siguro nating sabihin na ipabangon ng Panginoon ang Philippine Publishing House in 3 days time. Pwede. Isang government transaction lang. Tapos na ang problema ng Philippine Publishing House. Siguro, madalas natin, baka isang linggo lang, isang araw lang, tapos na yung 340,000. 340 dito, no? Ang goal ng credential. 390. Yes. So, pwede isang araw lang, isang government transaction lang yan. Pero, what will you do for the rest of the year? Upo ka na lang sa bahay. Hintay ka na lang ng December for the celebration? Hindi. God works through us so that He can mature us and teach us the prophet of the Lord. But Mrs. White, siya ang sumagot. God honored Joshua and Caleb for their faithfulness and obedience. They succeeded where those without such faith failed because they were willing to put faith into action. Here's the recap. Faith begins with a vision. Vision inspires courage. Courage results to action. Well, that's faith that will result faith into action with a shortcut. There are two kinds of believers, literature evangelists and publishing leaders. There are two kinds of believers. One are the doubters. They are the grasshoppers in our story. And the second are overcomers. They are the giant killers. Kung sana, they went out to the land, yung kahit na isang libong mga higante pa, ang kalaban nila doon, the Nephilims, kaya-kaya nilang itumba. Because if they will be overcomers, they will be giant killers. God has given us a vision of what we can be and what we can accomplish. Do we have the courage to follow the vision? Doing God's work means entering new territories and facing some giants. The question this morning is, are we grasshoppers? Or, as literature evangelists and as publishing leaders, are we giant killers? Good morning.
sa dugay na nga panahon, nagmaingan tusong. Kinahanglan ang tanan, mahimong ligo. Bisan pagkag-usap, kanunay pagsulay. Padayon o pag-ambog kanunay. Kaluwasan na siguro, nahimo dito sa Kalbaryo. Mahal niya ang dugo, iula alang kanato. Kinahanglan ang tanan, mahimong ligo. Labi na pero na lang ang panahon. Si Jesus bumalik na, luwasong iyang katawan. Nasa dugay na nga panahon, nagmaingan tusong. Kinahanglan ang tanan, mahimulan na. Kinahanglan ang tanan,